This is just a very quick overview of how to start with Animation Composer. Now you're looking at the project file that's shipped with free Animation Composer. This one. To show you the basics, I'll create a new composition, create a new layer, and apply a preset. I'll just drag it here. Now if I preview, you can see the animation looks like this. The animation starts in the beginning of the layer. This is called the layer in point, and ends in the transition in marker. This is an abbreviation for transition in. You can change the duration of the animation by dragging this marker. I can also edit the animation from the effects control panel. In this case, I can change the number of bounces, for example to 4, and also the starting scale. If I place the playhead at the beginning of the layer and change it to, for example, 300, I get animation like this. These are the essential basics, but there's much more Animation Composer can do. Let's look at some examples. I'll jump to the animated typography composition. Let's check this out. And you can see there are presets applied on the layers already. If you want to see which preset it is, you can check it here. This is the in transition preset. You can also right click and show the preset in the list. If I look at the effects controls panel, I can adjust the animations from there. For example, I can change the scale of the in animation of the characters. And this is how it looks. Alright, let's check another example. Let's preview this. All these shapes were animated using the transition presets that come with Animation Composer for free. Let's check out some quick tricks. I will duplicate this composition, pressing Command D, open it, and I want to keep just this preset. So I'll just move the layer here, select these layers, and now I'll remove the in transition. I'll press remove all presets. So now we have it like this. I'll copy this in transition to other layers. So I'll press copy, presets all, select these layers, hit paste. I'll add this layer to the selection, move the playhead, press left bracket, and we have animation like this. I'll open transition shifter and stagger the layers a couple times. Now if I preview, this is what I get. You can create a lot of different animations very quickly. Let's check out this bar chart. So you can create stuff like this, or even more complex animations, like this one. One of our packs called the Most Handy Motion Presets is full of these. If I should recommend you just one product, it would be this one. You can check out what other people who bought it say about it. I guess you cannot go wrong with it. Then there are effect presets. Effect presets are under this folder. Effects can help you to create continuous animations like these. You can adjust when you want the animation to start and end. Just select the layer, move the playhead, click add the in marker, move the playhead again, click to add the out marker, and there you go. Then here are the filmmaker's transitions. I'll select this layer, can right click and show the pre-comp in the list, and I see that it's inside the pre-comps. I can delete this one and add it once again. Select the pan behind tool and change the center of the transition. Then there are the sound effects. I'll just delete these layers because I want to show you something. I'll select this layer and I can change how it sounds by dragging this slider. This way I am changing the pitch of the layer. The sounds are in this folder and you can add your own sounds. Just click the add button, locate your folder, and there you go. And here are my sound effects. There is a lot more that Animation Composer can do. Check out our YouTube channel for more cool tricks and tutorials. And if you like this video, you can subscribe. We will be adding more cool stuff in the future. I'm Adam with MrHorse.tv.
Yeah, smash the like button and subscribe if you're not already.